Hello guys and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be building this, except in a reddish color, kind of be like built like this, but instead of being an F350 it's going to be an old Dodge. Alright, so we gotta go buy that truck. Make sure you guys don't forget to like and subscribe, always helps. And it's already in red. Can we get it? A shiny red. Yes we can, there we go. Alright, first of all, customizations. Always gotta be running those tires. There we go, and dually tires, yes. Rims, matte black, never fails. But then for the bead, we're going to be doing a metallic red, a deep metallic red, yes. Alright. And same on the other side, let's see if that's even. Bring that up a little more. Bring it back, alright, and then the spokes are going to be metallic black. Right, there we are, and then the paint is going to be a much darker red. I think that's actually good right there. Windows tint, probably about there. There we go, now onto the body. What do we have on the other one? Okay, stock bumper. Not there, okay. Stock bumper, I don't know if we have these or not. Oh my gosh, I gotta check. Not there, okay. Here we do not have any of those. Rear bumpers are still not a flatbed, alright. Do we have that on the other one? I don't know. Yeah, there we go. That. This, I think we have a snorkel on the other one. I don't think we have a winch on the other one though. But I do know on the other one we got fat pipe. There we go. LED lights, always the best. Second toolbox looks the best, in my opinion. Buy all that, and we do not have that actually. Okay, so we're just going to take that off really quickly. So that was right here. Yep. Alright, so next, the actual colors. I think those would be the same. Actually, I might have darkened them a little. Yes, I did. Alrighty, darker. There we go. And then for the wraps, we're gonna take this, gonna scale it down a bit, and go to black. Shiny black, actually. Oh, too much. Right there. Apply, and then we're gonna get another one. Scale it down even more than the last one. Make it red. Apply. Actually, this black one can go a little bigger. Why is it not? There we go. I think we got it that time. And then on the other one, what are our decals? They're just that 4x4. I believe so. Okay. So we're gonna go to decals, stickers. 4x4s are right there actually. Not that big. All right. I'm gonna make that black. Which we're gonna do like that. Put it straight onto the other side. Yes, sir. Now we're going to be looking at the suspension tune. Alright. Actually, we got a... Okay, it's Solid Axle Pro. Travel is maxed. What about on the rear? What is travel? 0.58. Well, what was... Okay, wait a minute. That's level 3, or upgrade to level 3, upgrade to level 4. Okay, 0.58. Gotta remember that. Sodox Pro Heavy Duty. Sodox Pro Heavy Duty. Also on that side, alright. So on the front, there we go. And then travel maxed. On the back, there, and then it should be 0.5 8. Yes, this does look pretty goofy right now. That's that's just because the rest isn't done yet. Alrighty, and gonna go look at the other one again. Axis width on the front is that much, and then on the back is 0.3, and that one's 0.2. Okay, so on the front, axis width right below 0.3, and then that other one is right at 0.4, I believe. I would think so. Oh, also I gotta change the shocks because I like the look of these ones better on the red truck. And now we go back. Shock size, that doesn't matter. Stiffness is 15K exactly. Stiffness on the back is 1510. Alrighty. 15K stock. Gotta go down to 15,100. Alright, there we go. Now for the wheels and tires. So the rim size is going to be maxed on stage 1. Same with the radius and wheels width. Okay. That makes my life a lot easier. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. That is looking pretty clean. So now what we're going to do, gotta go into upgrades. Obviously power all the way up. Everything all the way up. Diesel. Yes. Durability all the way up. And e-brake. As well as probably that. And turbo. Turbo is always a good thing to have. No, where's my gooseneck? Okay, we gotta go to trailers. Just gotta scroll through and find it. Yes, there we go. There's my gooseneck. Going to equip this trailer. We're gonna put this truck on the trailer. We're gonna pull it with this one. Let's go to custom maps. See this thing? Oh no, not custom maps. My bad. Stunt park. I always misclick and click that instead. Gotta do all that. Does the drop hitch actually work on that? Oh, it does. Alright. So this does look pretty good. I am not hating it at all. This is a fairly good looking build. So yeah, there's the build. These two twins here. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave a comment what other builds you would like me to do next. And I'll see you next time. Bye.